Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's Imani and it's about 3 in the morning right now and I'm really tired, but I decided to do some Amazon shopping to see what I come up with to buy while being this tired and droopy, so let's see. Hey guys, it's a couple of days later and all of my packages have arrived and I'm just gonna get right into it because I'm super excited and I can't wait any longer. So this is the first thing. So it's battery powered fairy lights. And I don't remember what these are actually. Got it? It's not working. Oh, I need batteries. I'm gonna go get some. Okay, so I got some batteries here. I just put the batteries in. We're gonna put it up. The next thing that I got, it's an essential oil diffuser and I am super excited to use this, but I think I have to charge it for like an hour before, so I'm gonna charge it right now and get back to it later. So this is the third thing that I got. It's like a mini desk vacuum cleaner and I'm super excited about this because I feel like it's gonna be super convenient. It's orange. I really thought it would be white because it came in a white box, but I didn't think I would choose orange as the color for it. I think you might have to charge this. Maybe not. So the next item that I got is something that I saw off of TikTok. I'm super excited about it. It's ding! It's like a bag sealer and I just thought it was really cool, honestly. I hope it's worth the hype. Okay, so I put the batteries in and it says press down the sealer for about 3 to 5 seconds to get preheat at normal room temp. Oh my god, guys, the lights began to fall. I had to go save it. But anyway, hold it for 3 to 5 seconds. Oh my god, do you guys like see that? I hope you guys can see it and you don't think I'm crazy. Did you see it? It's smoking. Wow. So I got these bags. Put the bag you need to seal in the middle. If the bag is thick, move slowly. If the bag is thin, move quickly. So I would say this is pretty regular, right? Oh my god. What? That is so cool. It's like actually goes. And we are gonna do it again because I can't believe that. Oops. Look, oh my god, that's so crazy. That is so cool. I rate this 10 out of 10. I'm super impressed, and it's hot. I'm gonna leave it open, but wow, this is so good. I guess there's no need for these anymore. The next thing that I got is this. I've always wanted one, the 4-in-1 chargers. So it came with this USB. We're just gonna see if it works. Okay guys, so I'm in my bathroom right now. I had to plug it in here. And I don't even know if it's charging my AirPods, but I'm gonna see if it's gonna charge my sister's phone. Whoa. All right, so as you guys just saw, it works. I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10 because I really like it, and I think it's really convenient that I could charge my phone, my AirPods, and my Apple Watch at the same time. I know you guys just saw that catch. But anyway, I do give it a 10 out of 10, and hopefully it lasts a long time. It was $21.99. Do you think that's worth it? Maybe I'll give it a 9 out of 10. Nah, I'll give it a 10 out of 10. I think it's worth it. So yeah. I got little desk organizers because sometimes my desk becomes cluttered and it really annoys me. Weird that I was thinking about a cluttered desk at 3 in the morning. But anyway. And these are cute. Oops. It came with 4? Wow. So I got these desk organizers. I'm super excited to use them because we love to be organized over here. Altogether, I got this for $10.99, and I would say it's worth it, except it's really annoying to me that these are the same. Like, everything is, like, why couldn't this be polka dots? Like, you know what I'm saying? I just don't like that I got 2 of the same things. So I'll give it an 8 out of 10. But ultimately, I like these. Hopefully they come into good use. Oh. Second box. Let me know why they had to use a big box for one thing. A coin jar or a money jar, like a piggy bank. A piggy bank. I know this is gonna come into good use because I've been working a lot lately, so I know money's coming in and I don't want to spend it all on stupid crap, like half of the things that I got in this video that I don't need. So yeah, look at me being responsible at 3 in the morning. Go Monty. Oh, this was for $6.84, by the way. This is my last box. Okay. So this is the first thing that I got. I don't know what's in here. Illumin. These are the things from TikTok, the candle lighters, right? And it came with another one. Okay, this is like, if you guys don't know what this is like a lighter, but I got it because it looks like a taser and I really like it. But also, don't use it as a taser. There's something wrong with me. So yeah. Oh my god. I am so we're gonna try it on one of my candles. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Thank you, TikTok, for introducing me to this. Oh my god. All right, so we're gonna try it on my candle here. It lit. That is so crazy. Okay. It's really big. Fine. Okay, we're gonna close it. That was so cool. Should I try it again? Oh. Uh-oh, I hope the fire alarm doesn't go off. No, no, no. Oh no, no, no. I love this. This is a 10 out of 10 investment. I'm not hearing it. Like, this, I feel like, oh, I love it. And I love the color, I love the size, and this is not hot. Do you know, like when you just use lighters, it's a little hot? This is not hot at all, at all. So as soon as you light your candle, you can put it back wherever you want with no worries of it accidentally lighting something. I love this. I think I'm just gonna carry this everywhere. This is crazy. I haven't had a recorder since elementary school, I think. And I love that it's green. I love green. So yeah. Doesn't this come off? Oh! It does come off. This too? Or no? No, I think just the bottom part. It's kind of tough to... Okay. I'm hoping nobody used this because I'm about to put my mouth on it. It's louder than I thought. This is gonna be fun. Thought I was onto something, but I guess I don't know how to play the recorder that well. I give this a 10 out of 10 for being green and for being fun. It's so hot. Like, I'm not even weak. It's so hard to open, like, and close. Let me try again. Anyway, next item. Next item I got decorating lamp. I got a decorating lamp. That's what it says. I don't know why I would get that. It's like a lightning bolt, it looks like. It's pretty cute. I'm a little afraid of the dark, so I think that's why I got so many light products, I feel like. And it was really dark while I was getting everything. There are no instructions, so it's not. What? Maybe I'll hang it up back here somewhere. I don't know yet. Ooh. So this is super cute. I really like this. I'm gonna hang it up somewhere. Let me know where you think I should hang this up. I don't want to just put it anywhere because I have to nail it in, or I'm going to nail it in. So I'm not gonna do anything until you guys help me out a little bit. Should I put it in spot 1, 2, or maybe up there? But nah, maybe just spot 1 or 2. Or 3. Let me know down below, but I think this is really cute. I got this was $12.99, and I like it. I feel like I'm giving everything a 10 out of 10, so I'll give this an 11 out of 10. Gotcha! I got these 2 things. I'm not really a fan of leopard print, so I'm not really sure why I would get it. For Apple Watch. So it says it's for Apple Watch. And we're just gonna see how that's gonna work. I can't find my Apple Watch, so yeah. Let me go see if I can find my Apple Watch. So I have my Apple Watch here, and these don't come with any instructions, so hopefully it's straightforward. I guess I was feeling stylish because I don't think I would get it, like, okay. She cute or whatever, but I don't know what I'd wear it with, like, you know? It'd have to be like select outfits, like white, like if I were wearing white, and I wear a lot of white, so maybe I'll make it work. They're cute. It's a little tight, a little too snug for me, so I'll give it an 8 out of 10, but this is cute. I'm gonna be very tired one day and take it off my wrist and throw it like it's a scrunchie and probably crack my Apple Watch, so I'm very nervous about that. But yeah, this was $9.69. Not too bad, but a little on the pricey side, but not too bad. So this is the last thing that I got. It's an essential oil diffuser, and then I had to get the oils separately. They didn't come together. And these are the oils: eucalyptus, lemongrass, tea tree, peppermint, orange, and lavender. And I really want to try the lavender one only because I want to take a nap. And lavender calms down. The instructions say connect the AC adapter to the DC jack of the main body. Add water per 100 milliliters with 2 to 3 drops essential oil. Do I have to put? Am I not doing this right? Hey guys, so I just plugged it in and I'm gonna put some water in it. And now I'm gonna put a few drops of the oil. Got some oil in there. And I'm gonna close it up and press the mist. That is so cool, and it smells so good. There's a light button, and what? I didn't even know it lit up like this. Wow, this is so good. Okay guys, that's all that I have for right now. For the most part, I'm really excited to use all of my new products. My favorite item was had to be this. This is my favorite item. I really like it. I just wasn't expecting it. It's just really cool, and I have a lot of candles, so this will really come in a lot of use. My least favorite item, I think this has to be my least favorite item, the wash band. I don't know why I got it. I'm just like really afraid because I know myself, and I know I usually throw my scrunchies all over the place, so I'm just scared I'm gonna be wearing this and then I just throw it and break my Apple Watch, because this was not cheap. So yeah, this has to be my least favorite item. But again, I'm very excited for everything else. Please comment down below where I should put the lightning light on my wall. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.